at that. Winter Storm Adriana. Heavy snow, heavy snow. Hear that wind? Try to keep up with it. We have 5.5, 6 inches right now. Okay, camera's gonna win. 7 o'clock here. Still going strong. There's my dog. I made a little path for her about, I don't know, 45 minutes ago. It's covering up. We got another inch about, so we're getting about a little over an inch now. So you can see it's coming down heavy. But it'll be even worse later.
I know.
It's coming down hard. Okay, it's 8:45 and snow and wind have definitely picked up. It knocked down my Christmas reindeer. How could... Oh, that's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, we've definitely had gusts at least 50 miles per hour. And the snow, just a while ago we had 2 inch per hour meso band go by. So let's open the door for a sec. Morgan, you wanna go out? Go ahead. Morgan, go ahead. There's anywhere from 6.5 inches to 9.5 inches. Okay. She's very curious though. Doesn't want me to open the door apparently. Ah, there goes the wind. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll be back at 10 o'clock. Oh, wow, it switched directions. Okay, that was kind of weird. There's water on the outside of this because of this snow's hitting it so hard. Let's see if we can get it there. You can see that. Okay, back at 10. Okay, I believe it's 8:25. I don't really know because the power went out last night at around 1:15. And it's been out since then, so it's very cold in there. It's still snowing and wind's blowing it sideways again. I don't know if you can see. Again, it's heavier than it looks. The plows, I guess, still has not been down our road once. We have, well, snowfall totals range for anywhere from 13 to 16 inches. It depends on what part of the, area of the lawn or pavement you're in because of the blowing and drifting snow. We got a little thunder snow last night. I don't remember what time, but...
A radio.
Okay. Sorry, I'm further shaking. It's very cold.